Nowadays a smartphone becomes common computer that can replace the books and notes in the future. Students and learners can use their smartphones as a notebook to record the information in digital form. It is easy to scan any document and convert to make a PDF file. Hello subscribers, it's me Krichan. Welcome to my channel Tech Chip Nepal. Today in this video I will show you the useful software for all the students. The first application software I want to tell you about is All Formula. You can download it from Play Store by searching for All Formula. This application gives you all the formulas including math, physics, chemistry, and many more. So this is very useful for those students who need to recall the forgotten formulas. For free learning, ethical hacking and technical tips, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notification. The second useful application is Photo Math. This is designed with the features of calculator where it automatically scan the question and solve it, as you can see in the video. I recommend you this application because others have only scanned the clear reading, but this app can analyze our handwritten question also. Another application is Office Lens. This application is developed by Microsoft. This application is designed to convert any photo to a PDF. The advantage of making PDF rather than making photo is, PDF doesn't need more storage, so that you can store multiple photo in small storage in the form of PDF file. If you use Mi phone, then you can use your own scanner app. This app is available in all the Redmi Xiaomi phones. This application can scan QR code also. This app can scan document to text form. Simply type on QTR.
Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss an update. Share this video to all your friends. And finally, thanks for watching.